Stop iMessage from secretly sharing your data. Step 1. Turn off iMessage sync. Open the Settings app. At the top, tap on your name. Then click on iCloud. In the Save to iCloud section, tap Messages. Now turn off the toggle next to Use this iPhone. From the pop-up, tap Disable and download messages. Step 2. Stop auto-sharing your name and photo. In the Settings page, scroll down to the bottom and click on Apps. Then, look for the Messages app and tap on it. Now scroll down, tap on the Share Name and Photo option. Again, scroll to the bottom, tap on Share Automatically. From the pop-up, instead of Contacts, change it to Always Ask. After that, at the top, click on the checkmark. Step 3. Stop forwarded texts. In the main message settings, scroll down and tap Text Message Forwarding. If you see other devices like a MacBook or iPad, your text can be read and replied to from those devices. Turn this off if you don't want your messages shared. Step 4. Hide message previews on lock screen. Now go back to Settings, scroll down and tap Notifications. Now look for the Messages app and tap on it. Look for the Show Previews option, tap on it. If it's set to Always, anyone can read your messages from the lock screen. Change it to When Unlocked to keep message content hidden. Step 5. Turn off Shared with You. In the Settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Apps. Again, scroll down and tap on the Messages app. Here, look for the Shared with You option, then select it. You can either disable it for specific apps or turn it off completely. Step 6. Stop location tracking. In the Message settings, scroll and click on the iMessage app. Then turn off the toggle next to the Google Maps. Step 7. Remove email from Send and Receive. Go back to Messages, tap on Send and Receive. Now, uncheck your email and keep only your phone number. Step 8. Filter unknown senders. Open the Settings app. Scroll to the bottom, then tap on Apps. Again, scroll down and click on Messages. Now, look for the Filter Spam option. Turn on the toggle next to it. Step 9. Block spam and unwanted contacts. In Messages settings, scroll down to Blocked Contacts and tap on it. Add any spam numbers or unwanted contacts to stop them from messaging you. Your iMessage privacy is now secure, and that's it.